Alright, big day today. As you can see there, we got the hood off. And if you look in the back of the parts truck, you see we've taken the drive shaft out. It's a two-piece drive shaft. I've loosened up all the stuff underneath, the transmission, engine mounts. There's the transmission mount laying on the ground right there. And the big news is we got her out. There's the engine and the transmission. And of course we don't know what we've got until we start taking this puppy apart, but that's going to get put aside. The next thing we're going to do is to remove these inner fender liners, and then we're going to cut off the front frame horns in order to fix the issues with the wreck of the F-150. So there you have it. The engine came out pretty well. This is a new load leveler that I got from the tool store, as well as an engine lift. So made the job a whole lot easier than things I used to do back in the bad old days with a chain hoist. That's it.